If you've been wanting to create content fast without a ton of headache and that you can monetize quickly, then pay close attention to this very short video, because I'm going to show how you can do just that regardless of skill level. It doesn't matter whether you're a blogger, author, marketer, or service provider. I can show you how to create profitable content faster than ever. Hi, I'm Amy Harrop, and I've just recently released a brand new training titled The Easy Content System. Inside the specialized training, complete with a software dashboard, PDF step-by-step guide, training videos, and cheat sheet, I'll share things like why this special type of content is often free, done for you, in high demand, underutilized, and perfect for fast content creation. How to tap into massive amounts of free content, not PLR, that you can easily use to make unique books, reports, blog posts, printables, and much more. A simple hack to get massive viral traffic, simply by choosing the right platform based on this, and so much more. You can see full details below this video, but if you're interested in creating a low-content publishing empire, short reports, books, blog posts, or more, you need to pick up this training today, especially since it's being offered at an extreme discount for a limited time. We all know content is king, and with the Easy Content System, you'll create tons of content at lightning speed. Go ahead and view all the details on this page, and I look forward to having you as part of the Easy Content System community.